Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the sticker easy to lift. Heat the sticker evenly until the adhesive softens. A heat gun at 300–350 degrees F or a hair dryer works. While heating, clean adjacent steel with isopropyl to prevent grit scratching. Use nitrile gloves to protect your hands and to feel when the edge gives. Once the adhesive becomes tacky, slip a plastic scraper under the edge and lift gently at a low angle. This prevents gouging the steel and keeps the adhesive from stretching. Once most of the sticker is lifted, continue peeling slowly at a 30–45 degrees angle to avoid tearing and leaving film behind. If residue remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl to a microfiber. Let it soak for 30–60 seconds so the solvent weakens the glue. Then, use a plastic scraper to dislodge the softened residue while wiping away with the cloth. Make sure to work in short passes so solvent doesn't sit too long on. To finish, clean the area with isopropyl to remove solvent traces, then wash with mild detergent and water. Dry completely to prevent flash rust on bare steel. If the surface is bare, use a light metal polish to restore sheen or apply touch-up paint to coated plates. If adhesive persists, reheat the stubborn spot, reapply solvent, or switch to a citrus-based remover. And if the sticker film tears repeatedly, score along the tear with a razor held nearly flat and lift the remaining strips slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.